Welcome back to the Weather Centre, where we're tracking rainfall over the eastern part of the country on Sunday. We'll see a few hot temperatures in the first part of the work week, but with a cold front keeping temperatures cool and bringing in rainfall in the southwest on Tuesday. On our satellite, you'll see predominantly clear skies across South Africa on Sunday, but with some morning fog in the northeast. You'll also see a cold front adjacent to the Eastern Cape. Now that keeps temperatures cool but doesn't really bring in much rainfall with it. However, ahead of the front, we've seen a few thundershowers over the far northeastern part of the Eastern Cape already on Sunday morning. We're expecting thundershowers and showers over the eastern part of South Africa, even extending through to the Free State and the Eastern Cape and possibly Limpopo on Sunday night. You'll see that warm air moving in from Namibia, resulting in a hot day, particularly into the Northern Cape, with a sunny and dry day for much of South Africa. On Monday, we're forecasting partly cloudy and warmer conditions for most of the country, but with the possibility of rainfall into the Lowveld as well as some drizzle into Limpopo. On our rainfall probability map for today, you'll see up to a 60% chance of thundershowers and showers, mainly over parts of KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga, with a 40% chance of rain as we head towards the Eastern Cape and the Free State, as well as over the southern part of Mozambique. Light to moderate wind speeds are forecast across South Africa on Sunday, with a predominantly southeasterly component to the wind from Richards Bay all the way through to Cape Town, and you'll see that offshore wind along the west coast, allowing for a hot Sunday afternoon. It's a mild Sunday for KwaZulu-Natal though, with most maximum temperatures in the low 20s. 24 as we head towards Mbombela, Pretoria and Mahikeng. 22 degrees for Johannesburg and Cape Town. Still quite cool for George and Port Elizabeth at 18 degrees. And then you'll see a hot afternoon for Uppington and Vredendal, both topping 30. Minimum temperatures still remain in the single digits overnight over the interior. 6 degrees for Kimberley and Bloemfontein, freezing for Sutherland. 11 as we head towards Cape Town, East London and Uppington. And we're forecasting a minimum of 14 degrees along the east coast, with a minimum of around 10 as we head towards Gauteng. In Cape Town, we're expecting a dry Monday with a maximum temperature of 23 degrees. We'll see a bit of rainfall at night with a cold front arriving on Tuesday, and that cools things off and brings in the possibility of rainfall with a high of 17 degrees. On Wednesday, we can expect a slightly warmer day with a dry forecast. On Monday, you'll see that hot weather extending from Uppington at 34 degrees all the way through to Graaff-Reinet and George at around 30. We're expecting a bit of morning rain for Richards Bay at 22, with cloudy, wet and cool weather for Mbombela at 20 degrees. And then on Tuesday, you'll see that warm air moving in over the northern part of South Africa, with highs heading into the upper 20s. Thundershowers are forecast from the eastern Free State all the way through to the east coast, and a cold front brings in rainfall in the southwest and keeps temperatures cool over the western and southern parts. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.